Hey friends, Andrew here and welcome to Drew Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove game files from Steam. So you want to go ahead and open up your File Explorer on your PC, open up your local C drive, and you want to find the program files x86 folder. Open that, and within the list here, just simply click anything and press the S key on your keyboard. It's going to find the folders containing S, and so you want to look for the Steam folder and open that. From here, just scroll on a bit and you'll find a config folder. Open that. Within this config folder, if you have games within this folder, you should find a folder that says STUI. Whatever is inside that STUI folder, then you will be able to quickly go ahead and delete those game files. And I'm going to quickly show you what that file look like. I have a screenshot here from another PC where I have that folder exists, and I'm going to show you what it actually looks like. So here you can see from my another PC where I have this folder here, and you can see that there's a folder by the name of STUI, and this folder here is where you will be able to open it and just simply delete those game files within that folder. And that's it, guys, and that's how you can remove your game files within Steam on your Windows PC. Very easy and very simple.